Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to make a TikTok shop storefront. First, sign into your Square account and go to e-commerce. Now select online sales channels and find TikTok for business. Click connect account to get started. If you don't already have a Square online website, you'll be asked to create one first. The setup is quick and free. Next, sign into your TikTok account or create a new TikTok account if you don't have one. Then authorize TikTok for business to connect with your Square account. After that, you'll need to connect a TikTok for Business account. If your TikTok account is already linked to a TikTok for Business account, you can continue to the next step. If not, create a TikTok for Business account or sign into an existing one. Once connected, you'll be prompted to connect a TikTok Business Center and a TikTok Ads Manager account. You can either create a new Ads Manager account or select an existing one linked to your TikTok for Business account. Now move to the data sharing section. Here, click Create New to create a TikTok Pixel. The TikTok Pixel helps track visitor activity and measure the performance of your products and advertising campaigns. You can also enable advanced matching to improve tracking accuracy and audience targeting. Next, create your product catalog. Click Create New under the Catalog section. This will sync your existing Square products directly to your TikTok shop storefront. Make sure your product information, images, pricing, and inventory details are accurate before syncing. Keep in mind that TikTok may take 3 to 5 days to review and approve your products. While waiting for approval, you can customize your TikTok profile, add a profile picture, write a business bio, and prepare content to promote your products. Once all setup steps are completed, click Finish Setup. After your products are approved, customers will be able to browse your storefront, view product details, and make purchases directly through TikTok. You can manage orders, inventory, product listings, and performance analytics from your TikTok shop dashboard. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.